Hello guys, Mehul here back again with another new video, and today I'm gonna be sharing seriously a simple tool, Lorem Ipsum generator. I know we all have used it from somewhere, like copy pasting it and all, and I actually have shared one tool before for Lorem Ipsum, if I can remember properly. Yeah, I have, but this Lorem Ipsum tool is uh, a little bit pro Lorem Ipsum. I don't know why I am saying that word, but it's really is. So let's get straight to the website and we'll see what are the features that it is providing. Okay, so let's get straight into it. So here we are at our today's website, that is Lipsum. Quite generic name, but not a generic website, to be honest. So here you can see you have four type of Lorem Ipsum generator, like whatever generators. One is word, one is sentence, another is paragraph, another is list of HTML as well. So how great that would be, right? Whatever. So we are not talking about that here, but yeah, here in words you can generate a couple of words or many words, whatever you like to have, and you can set this to whenever it starts a word, it will start with Lorem Ipsum. So see, it will start with Lorem Ipsum dollar seat amit. And recently I have found out that this Lorem Ipsum has a meaning. I was totally freaked out, like, what, this has a meaning? Actually, the meaning of Lorem Ipsum was let me just view it once again. Like, the meaning of Lorem Ipsum was, the pain itself is the love of the pain, the main ecological problems, but I give kind of time to fall down, whatever, and it goes on. Okay, but the first line is damn good. Like, what? The pain itself is the love of the pain. Wow, how crazy that line is, right? Whatever. We are not talking about that over here. Here you can create sentences as many as you want. Wait, wait, wait. Okay, yeah. Here you can create sentences and all. Here you will get the character count as well, as you can see it here, right? A little area where you can get the character count, and you can get paragraphs, you can get list. So all of those are okay. You can copy the text. Now the special things, you can capitalize the first word of the sentence, or capitalize the see, capitalized or the every word that is over here, then uppercase everything, then as well as lowercase everything. So all of those are provided over here, like all of those bits and tricks, all of permission combination that you can have over here are great. So actually that's it about this website, because obviously it's nothing much, yeah, as you can see it here, whatever. So that's it for this video. If you like my videos in general, please do subscribe to my channel, and if you know about some of the great apps, please do mention them in the comments below so I can feature them in my future videos as well. So bye for now, signing off.